Michelle.
My question is, my mother was put in a nursing home by her doctor to get rehabilitated, steady back on her feet.
Okay.
And she took a Pacific medicine, and she took a Pacific medicine for an illness she had, and she went there on a Friday, and that medicine level was right in her blood. But 2 days later on Sunday, she had a massive stroke because that level of medicine was way too low. Okay. And she died in December. Mm-hmm. Is there some kind of action? Because I know they did not give her medicine those 2 days. No other excuse for it.
Okay.
What kind of action can I take for it?
Okay.
All right.
Well, and the answer is potentially. There very well may be a case there. It depends on some of the medical circumstances surrounding the incident. Obviously, we've seen medication errors at nursing homes, just like with hospitals or any other medical facility in the past. And frankly, when you have someone who's being brought in who was not there before, and their chart comes in, and there is a medication list in tow, there is an obligation on the part of the facility to evaluate that and make sure that they perform up to the standard of care. So there's no question that that's the case. Now, obviously, the two things that you mentioned is, that proving that the medication was not administered, and then just as importantly, proving that the failure of the administration of the medication is what caused the stroke. Okay, so there's actually two pieces to that puzzle that are extremely important, but the answer is that you very well possibly may have a case, and it needs to be investigated.
Okay. And what's the time frame that she's looking at? I know she said her mother, I think, passed away in December.
Okay. Generally speaking, it is 2 years from the date of the alleged negligence, and in this situation, it would be a wrongful death allegation.
So you need to get moving, get an attorney, and
yes,
talk some things
absolutely.
over.